Welcome to my channel, Queen of Moyayo. Guys, may pakita lang ako sa inyo guys. I want to show the present of my BBC from Buffalo, New York. This one, this Buffalo. I think I need to adjust this because how to adjust? Baka makasira pa ako dito guys. Sandali na lang. Ito, adjust pala. Ganyan lang. Kaya medyo malaki siya eh. Paano ba ito adjustin? Sandali lang. Ayan, ayan. Tulak lang siya dito. Alam kong malaki siya. Alam ko yung ulo ko, charot. Daw, ano lang natin. Ganyan siya. Yes. Yes. Thank you, BBC. Thank you to my sweetheart. Wow, nice. Nakapajama pa ko guys. Ito. And this one also is the Buffalo, New York. Because we're team blue, that's why it's blue. It's nice. Thank you BBC for your ano ba? Gift, pasalubong. Salubong niya to sa akin guys. Ito din ang sweater. Pasalubong niya ang sweater. Buffalo din. Buffalo. Ano ba? Di ba yung ano ba sa Sabris yung parang ano, parang games siya. Ang ganon. Ang ganon. Yes, suot natin. Ano ba yung suot ko? Ito na lang. Kapajama na ako eh. Ito na. Let's try natin. Try. Tilo saksi. Yes, fit for me. I lost my weight. Wow, it's nice. Trying. And then the t-shirt. We'll try the t-shirt, guys. Thank you, BBC, for the pasalubong, for the gift. And this one, nakapajama kasi ako eh. Laki ng t-shirt kung pajama ba. Lang, ito na naman ang is it's fit for me. Wow. Wow, it's really nice looking. I'm looking fat. This is double dribble. I'm a double dribble, and this one. Wow, Chana all. Thank you guys. And this one. Thank you for watching. Just show my pasalubong from my lovers. With love from New York, Buffalo. Thank you.